daddy was a real loser. Had my moms who never even gave a fuck. At age 12, had my black ass feeling stuck. Was it my fault that I was born into this family? Somebody help me, I'm pleading out insanity. My bigger sister, I loved her cause she showed she cared. But on the welfare for kids, I couldn't live there. Couldn't help myself, I wanted to be just like my bigger brother. But since he was feeling, my bigger brother was acting like my mother. No understanding, so I broke from that fucked up home. Got on my own, now these streets is what I calls my home. I needed some cash, so I asked myself, should I get a job? Hang on that corner, sell some dope, or should I rob? I took the job, but that job didn't last too long. Caught up with Neil, and Neil put me on strong.
Always gone, then you can sing this song. I've seen a lot of wrong, but life still goes on. We live in hell on earth, so I guess that means we halfway dead. Niggas don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. Making noise for my niggas that done bit the dust over a dead man's picture. Signed in God we trust. Green paper got the world turned upside down. Once a nigga get a lot, he's out on the prowl. He used to jack, plus he even peeled the cap for a bloody meal, taking out his brains off tracks cause he forgot. Coming up, he used to carry a gun. Now the sword's pointing at him, he don't know where he from. He from the ghetto, where he did all of his dirt. Never giving a flying fuck about the people he hurt. Now he gon' burn eternally for the shit that he did. Cause the devil coming back, the claim was his. He made a deal, now he's singing that sad song. Don't call mama, she can't go to hell with you. Life goes on. Then you can sing this song. I've seen a lot of wrong, but life still goes on.
Life goes on in my dope infested hood. Niggas slanging crack, but they looking like they doing good. Mama's gone wild cause the streets took her son. For the rest of his life, the devil got him on the run. Smoking weed, selling crack, fucking hoes down in juice and gin. Half of my niggas are gone in the wind. Now I'm living with the fact that my niggas are gone. But I gotta be strong, cause life goes on. But in my mind ain't now one of my niggas dead. Cause I keep having visions of hearing shit that they said. So I put them in my songs and give them respect that they deserve. And give them love when I'm in the hood by throwing beer on the curb. I done did it so much, it's like a daily routine. Every time I watch the news, another nigga's face is on the screen, saying he dead or he's in prison. And that's the type of shit that keeps me reminiscing.